Hey, I've been hearing a lot about credit scores lately, but I'm not sure how to check mine. Can you help me out?
Absolutely. Checking your credit score is an essential part of managing your finances. The first step is to request a free credit report from one of the three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, or TransUnion.
Okay, how do I do that?
You can request your free credit report online, by phone, or by mail. Each credit bureau has a slightly different process, but the information is generally the same. I recommend requesting your report from one bureau at a time so you can keep track of any changes or discrepancies.
What kind of information will be on my credit report?
Your credit report will include information about your credit accounts, such as credit cards, loans, and mortgages. It will also show your payment history, credit limits, and any missed or late payments. Your credit report will not include your credit score, but you can purchase it for a small fee.
Okay, got it. How often should I check my credit report?
I recommend checking your credit report at least once a year, but you can check it more often if you're concerned about fraud or identity theft. Checking your credit report regularly can help you spot errors and take steps to improve your credit score.
Thanks for the advice! I feel more confident about managing my finances now.
You're welcome. Remember, checking your credit score is an important part of financial responsibility, and it's never too early to start. Your financial empowerment is just a click away. Join the thousands who have already taken charge of their credit scores. What are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to start.